Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I saw these really cool garden fences at the dollar store, and the first thing that came to mind was a wrought iron bed for my 1/6 scale diorama. I can't help it, I'm always thinking in 1/6 scale. Besides the garden fence, I'll need a few more items. Some wood beads, dowels, paint stir sticks, coffee stir sticks, and some wood cubes, all found at the dollar store. Let's get started. I'm using this knife to cut into the fence. The plastic snaps easily, so you have to be careful. I tried using an X-Acto knife as well, but the other knife worked a lot better. I don't like the spear-shaped piece. It makes the bed look medieval, so I cut it off. I want to add more detail to the top, so I'm cutting a couple of these pieces to glue onto the headboard. Definitely looks a lot better with the bead. What do you think? Do you like the other shape better? I want the bed to be a little wider and also add more detail, so I'm gluing on these dowels to each side. I glue on the same wood beads to the top of the dowels. I hate all the glue bits, so I removed them with some sharp tools to prepare it for painting. I love how the headboard turned out. Now I need a footboard. I'm making it exactly the same, just a bit shorter.
If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. Do you remember what I said last time we met? Would you like to move a little closer now? I'd like to be as close to you as I can get. If I could stop the time, I sure would. In this moment I really wish I could. Do you feel the same way as I do? That feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. I'd like to fall asleep beside you on your bed. If I could stop the time, I sure would. In this moment I really wish I could. Do you feel the same way as I do? The feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you still got the time, I'd like to stick around. I'll make some coffee, let's take a walk down to the sea. As the sun goes down, we light a fireplace, and we can stay as long as we want to, you and me. If I could stop the time, I sure would. In this moment I really wish I could. I hope you're feeling the same way as I do. The feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you got the time, I'd like to be with you forever in this state of happiness with you. Forever in this state of happiness with you.
For the bed frame, I'm using paint stir sticks, coffee stir sticks, wood cubes, and the garden stick, all found at the dollar store. If you just want to keep it simple, you can make it out of cardboard. It'll be covered with fabric anyways.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la. Sorrows in the summer city, you'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows
shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right, coming out to see me try. As I turn away and cry, you run up to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way. Once again I'm on the run, far away from all the fun. It seems I'm bound to be away from you. I never meant to drive you off this way, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way.
For the mattress, I used foam board and a thin layer of this packing sponge. I glued it together and covered it with some fabric. I'm using this jewelry box as a chest to hold up the footboard. You can always glue it to the frame, but this way it's easier to store away. For the bedding, I'm using this napkin with fringes, and this blanket my mom crocheted. Another blanket and some pillows, also crocheted by my mom.
In a world full of sorrow, what for? You watched the world from the place beneath the window.
I love how the bed turned out. Let's see how it looks in other colors.
So many years, too many tears on your pillow.
Which color is your favorite?
On your pillow.
Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.
Don't look back, don't forget, you gotta let now while you can. Don't look back, don't forget, you gotta let now while you can. Don't you wait, don't you wait.